Welcome. Today we'll explore generative AI, what it is, why it matters, and how it's transforming technology. Generative AI uses models to create data like text, images, music, and more. Unlike traditional AI, it can generate new content rather than just classify or predict. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, have two parts. A generator creates content, and a discriminator evaluates it. Variational autoencoders compress data into a small representation and recreate it to generate new samples. Transformers understand context and sequences. Large language models like GPT can generate human-like text. Generative AI is everywhere, creating art, music, videos, aiding drug discovery, automating finance, and enhancing entertainment. Cutting-edge AI includes self-supervised learning, multimodal models, ethical AI, and future trends. We've explored generative AI from basics to advanced. Experiment, explore, and stay curious. Check resources to learn more.